Hello, I'm Blake Bourgeois, and this is my class site for ELRC 4507 at LSU. My class site serves as a portfolio of all the different deliverables that we did throughout the semester related to classroom technology and personal learning environments and networks. So this is the homepage of my site that just gives an introduction of what this site is and what I plan to do. My goal is to create a site that contains resources for people who are interested in IT security and maybe don't know a lot about IT security. To supplement the site, I also have a tech blog and I also have a Twitter. The blog just contains a couple of posts that we did throughout the semester about wikis, integrating technology in the classroom, and copyrights. I don't have really anything on my Twitter, but I did use it to follow different teachers and educational resources like Edutopia, Microsoft Education, Alice Keeler. But on to the site. So I have a quick biography here that just says a little bit about me, what my career is, what my degree is, what certifications I have, and kind of why I'm doing this, just a little background on me. Then for my Teacher's Choice page, I have quick tips. I aligned the quick tips page with the Google study that compared the behaviors of security professionals to average home users, and then it took the difference of behaviors that were highly rated by security professionals and behaviors that were lowly rated by home users, and it generated a list of tips that people can use to immediately become safer online. So I have this full list here of just some quick security wins. We have a list of resources for course. The first resource list is Web 2.0 tools. These were a bunch of tools that we used over the course of the semester to accomplish our work in kind of our digital classroom. It enabled us to do a lot of cool things, a lot of cool collaboration. And then I have 3 more pages of different resources. And all these resources are aligned with the site's purpose, and that is security. So I have security tools, and these are things that people could either download or sign up for that would increase their online security. I have security checkups, which provides links to things like Facebook's privacy checkup, Google's security checkup, Twitter privacy and safety settings, password databases to see whether or not your password has been compromised, and then finally some resources on your digital footprint, which is looking up yourself online to see what kind of things can be discoverable through search engines. You may not realize how much about yourself is online, so it's a good idea to check, maybe check frequently, get rid of old accounts, etc. Then finally have security news and education. This list is absolutely massive. It has a whole bunch of blogs that I follow, news sites, Twitters that I follow, databases and live information on different vulnerabilities and attacks that are happening, and then a bunch of educational resources like Cybrary and Harvard CS50X, which is an online intro to computer science course, which is really great. But the bulk of this website, really the most important things are the tech projects. These are the things that we did over the semester, that all these deliverable projects that we actually created. The first 2 on the text projects page are a slideshow that we created. This slideshow was meant to use either non-copyright or created images, so I used screenshots to show about different security concepts and give examples of maybe what these things look like or what these things should look like. And then we did a scavenger hunt where I compared digital networks to physical devices that we're all familiar with, like trees or directories. We did a digital story this semester where we used iMovie to put together different resources like free images, copyright-free media, like music, and we did narration, and I did a short story on the Morris worm, which is the first worm to infect the internet in 1988. We did mobile app reviews. For my mobile apps, I looked at Tinker and at Bebot that teaches kids code. I really like these apps because of the easy way that it breaks down coding logic and makes it accessible and fun for children. We did website evaluations where we had a PowerPoint that we had to go through, a PDF form that we had to fill out. And we just looked at a site. I looked at NASA and just filled out this site, this page on different information about why NASA is a good and valuable resource for teachers to use in their classroom. And now we have our personal learning network and our personal learning environment, which was arguably the whole point of this class and one of the reasons why all these Web 2.0 tools was a great resource for this course. Have a description of what personal learning environment and personal learning networks are, a quick diagram of kind of what mine looks like based on my professional learning network table down here. We define blogs, curation tools, microblogs, and webinars. I gave a couple of examples of ones that I use, and then we had to do one reflection for each, so they're all linked here in this table. And that is it for my site. Soon it's going to have a screencast uploaded to it, but that's about everything. If you're interested in IT security, I suggest that you take a look. It's sites.google.com/view/intro to ITsec. Thank you very much.